The world is a frightening place, actually, if you look around. I think that there's some issues around inequality, ignorance, authoritarianism, populism. People are coming out with some very simple solutions that sound initially attractive to people. Actually, the world is a more complicated place. Community hubs are really important because they act as a way of giving people more control over what happens in their local area.
We've heard from people all over the province that there's a real need and an interest in getting together to talk about how to build local capacity, because communities understand that they want to control their local destiny to make their communities a better place to live.
Community hubs are crucial to building healthy, vibrant communities.
They function as the heart of a particular town or city. They give people an access to not just services, but to connecting.
Mostly what we're trying to do is work with people in the neighborhood and figure out how they want to solve things together. So community development is the backbone of what we do.
This is about small towns, it's about rural communities, it's about northern communities, and it's about larger urban centers. There are community hubs in different places around the province because people came together and were creative and found a way to do it. But there are lots of barriers.
We have a disconnect now between government and community and corporations and nonprofits. And community hubs are a way to start building back those vital connections that are necessary in order to build strong communities.
So the province plays a really important role because they bring together all of the different sectors and all of the community groups into a conversation that without that leader has really been a very disparate conversation.
We need ministries working together in order to help people on the ground in communities who have a great idea but keep running up against bureaucracy or regulation. And so we're trying to move those barriers out of the way. Whether they're from the health sector or education sector or criminal justice sector, there are ways of delivering service better if we work together.
It's very, very timely. If you look at almost every new piece of legislation, every ministry initiative, all of it could be attached to hubs.
And being able to support those organizations to deliver what communities need, it's fundamental to building healthy, sustainable communities and cities in Ontario.
And I think that's one of the things, the reason we've touched on maybe a chord that actually resonates with people, because there's a lot going on in the world that we can't control, but community hubs is something that brings it back to our local communities. We've actually really found such an outpouring of interest and support for this initiative that will only grow in the years ahead.